Hello and welcome to this video on data schema in Adobe Experience Platform. This is Shivali Uppal from Adobe Consulting Enterprise Architecture team. Enterprise architects with Adobe Consulting are technical leaders on our customer engagements, and we work across Adobe stack with most of our large enterprise customers. Data modeling in AEP is based upon Experience Data Model, more commonly known as XDM, which is a standard data model to describe customer experiences. XDM provides a common structure and definitions for any application to communicate with platform services. It is basically a blueprint of how your data is defined, ingested, and consumed. The XDM foundation is built using schemas which define the structure of your data. You can then stream or batch ingest the data into the data sets. This data then can be used to generate insights and also activate on marketing channels by creating segments. Let us dive into different components of schema to help you better understand the schema composition. A schema consists of a class, field group, and fields to represent the data. First, you assign a class, which defines what the schema is. For example, an individual profile or an experience event. Now, you add field groups, which are reusable components defining the fields like personal details, hotel preferences, address, etc. Adobe Experience Platform includes standard classes and field groups related to these classes. If there is a need, you can define your own custom class and custom field groups for your data based on your use case. Data intended for use in Experience Platform is grouped into two behavior types. The data behavior of a schema is defined by the schemas class, which is assigned to the schema when it is first created. All XCM schemas describe data that can be categorized as record or time series. A record data provides information about the attributes of a subject. A subject could be an organization or an individual. Time series data provides a snapshot of the system at the time an action was either taken directly or indirectly by a record subject. Talking about the XCM classes, record data or XCM individual profile class. These profile entities represent attributes relating to an individual person, typically a customer. Entities that fall under this category should be represented by schemas based on the XCM individual profile. Talking about the second category, which is time series data or XCM experience event class, these entities represent concept related to an action a customer can take, system events, or any other concept where you may need to track changes over time. Entities that fall under this category should be represented by schemas based on an XDM experience event class. Then third category is the custom class, which includes lookup entities which represent the concept that can relate to an individual person but cannot be directly used to identify the individual. Entities that fall under this category should be represented by the schema based on custom classes. Now you're all set to create your XCM schema in AEP. Hope you have enjoyed this video and thanks for watching. We would love to hear from you. And you can reach us at acs-ea@adobe.com with feedback or suggestions. Thank you.